Welcome to DIP Company, the world leader in quick change ink pen liner systems and catch tray technologies for the printing industry. We design and manufacture custom solutions to streamline your manufacturing operations. These solutions reduce costly downtime caused by cleaning ink, adhesive, and coating trays without the need for added personnel, expensive equipment, harsh chemicals, or natural resources. DIPCO's disposable watertight products fit printing and converting equipment of every shape and size. Choose from over 475 stock liners and drip trays, or if you can't find what you're looking for, we can make one just for you. With a highly creative engineering team on staff and equipment able to produce liners up to 127 inches wide, rest assured, if you can think it, we can build it. Our product lines do not stop there. As a manufacturer of quick change systems, we understand that it is the little things that can really slow you down. That is why we offer a full complement of disposable ancillary products that work in tandem with your pan liners. Critical, seldom thought of tools like end seals, wipers, ink stir sticks, and ink jug filters that make your printing process more efficient. Our products are used daily by the smallest of mom and pop shops to the largest and most cutting edge printing and coating companies in the world. Companies from all segments of print like narrow, mid, and wide web flexo, offset, coating, laminating, and gravure. Why? It's simple. Changeovers and cleanups can be measured in minutes, not hours, using our liner systems. These systems also reduce ink contamination, save on cleaning supplies, reduce wastewater, and the cost of removing it while getting your presses back up and running faster and cleaner. For more information, visit us at www.dipworldwide.com or call us at 970-874-2852.